Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a one-sided mass arrangement. My color palette for today's tutorial is yellow, green, and purple. I will also be using a floral container, clippers, tape, saucer, and floral foam. To get started, I'm going to place a plastic saucer in my container to hold the floral foam. I am using a 7-inch saucer that fits perfectly. Next, I'm going to take my floral foam and place it right on top of the saucer. I am using a 6-inch round floral foam. To secure the foam, I will use 2 strips of waterproof tape across the top. To build the shape of my design, I'm going to start with the tallest flowers, which will be the snapdragons. The design should be 1.5 to 2 times the size of the container in height. You can measure this by placing your stem next to the container. Next, I'm going to insert my stems deep into the foam by pressing firmly. Now that I have my desired structure, I'm going to move on by adding my mass material. I am now adding Italian ruscas to give me an idea of how large the arrangement will be. Now I will be mass grouping the hydrangea towards the front of the arrangement to create visual weight. The next step is to continue adding all the remaining line flowers and the Italian ruscas. Now for these gorgeous garden roses, I decided to cluster them together and leave the stems long. For the finishing touches, I'm going to add these deep purple tulips. The final step is to cover up our mechanics. And here is the final product. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to see more at flowermag.com.